Alright guys, welcome back to this lesson. Now that we've seen how we can nest routes with our navbar example, let's head over to our code and make sure our navbar links actually take us to the appropriate pages when we click on them. Back in our navbar.js file, if we recall in previous lessons, we said that using basic HTML anchor tags for navigation is usually a bad idea. I mean, we can easily specify the path we want within each anchor tag, but the problem is that they reload our application. This means that whenever we navigate to another route in our application using an anchor tag, your app state resets, and that is simply not ideal. So the solution to this, as you might have guessed, is the React Router link component. This is the same component we used when we tested navigation between pages. Now let's use that here as well. So we first need to import link from React Router DOM. Over here where we imported our outlet, we just need to add a comma and also import the link component. And then we can simply clear our anchor tag along with its href and change it to a link tag. So over here, I'm just going to clear the href plus the anchor tag and change this to a link tag. Alright. So the link tag takes a prop for the URL path to take us to when it is clicked. So over here, the prop is to, as in to, is equal to, and in here, we can specify a path we want it to take us to. So in quotes, we are just going to put a / since we want to go to the home page when we click on the Git Explorer link. Alright, let's also change the anchor tag here to a link tag and specify the path we want it to take us to also be a / because the home page is also the page that shows the repos, right? So this is going to take the same path as the Git Explorer link. Alright, let's do the same for our users anchor tag. We're just going to clear the anchor tag here, put a link component, and then the path to take us to is going to be / users. Alright. Let's head back to our browser and see if this actually works. Back in our browser, since we're on the users page over here, if I click on the Git Explorer, it should take us to the home page right now. As you can see, that works. Let's also click on the users link and see if it takes us to the users page. Alright, that works. And you can see how this works instantaneously. That is because our application doesn't fully reload. It only renders a new component when we click on the link, since we use the React Router link component to achieve this. Alright, in the next lesson, we are going to create a page not found route that shows up when a user goes to a route that doesn't match any route we defined.